Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Jury Rigging with the Dirt Road King. On today's episode, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be replacing that heater hose right there. We got us a good AC Delco aftermarket replacement hose. Bought that sucker right there off Walmart.com. Yep, $32. It just didn't come with a connector on the end of it. They proud of them. They want $32 just for that by itself. So I went on down to the local hardware store and I got me two of these 3/4 PEX fittings right here and a couple hose clamps, and put me a little red RTV silicone up in there between it and tighten them on up. Yes sir, and that baby right there is we're gonna cut that hose and we're gonna connect that right there on that one with another hose clamp, because I ain't got nothing wrong with that stuff up there. I got a little something going on right there. See, y'all gonna laugh, but it took a week for my hose to get here, and I was losing precious antifreeze and coolant that I much needed. So I had to put a little JB Weld water weld on that right there, and much to my surprise, it fucking worked, y'all. Normally it don't. Y'all gonna have to excuse my language. It's one of them days today. Y'all can just bleep that out in y'all's mind, because my bleeper ain't working this morning. But this is what we got going on. So I'm gonna get all set up and we're gonna take some stuff apart, and me and you's gonna tear some stuff up, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, shit, we ain't getting any younger. I guess we gotta do this sometime. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take all my damn breather and stuff off for this. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and everything. I'm glad it's over with for sure. Let me get my snips and cut that twist off. All right, here we go. We can snip this right here. I see. Snip, snip. All right, there's that, mate. And then there's this right here. 5/16 on him. Yep. And of course, that son of a gun's on there tight. Couple hose clamps on that one. You know, I have to say that baby is on there really tight. Really tight. Hey, how you doing? Well, y'all, That right there was a damn booger. Y'all hear that? I like to never got that summer gun on. All right. Well, with that far, I hope y'all get a kick out of my JB weld down there. I'll have y'all know it worked. It held all week. So there's that one. All right, we fixing to lose some water, y'all. Y'all, that's not antifreeze, that's just rusty water. I didn't put antifreeze back in it yet for this very purpose. I want y'all to see what I got here. This is the new AC Delco replacement heater line. It comes with this whole Y fitting on it right here. This goes to your water pump. This end to your radiator reservoir. This end right here was supposed to come with a factory plastic fitting made onto it, but I guess that's the more expensive version by AC Delco. I guess I just got the cheaper AC Delco version. So I ended up having to spend about $25 more, and I went and bought me this brass fitting right here made by Shark Bite, these two pieces, and connected them together, and just made me a connector, which is gonna work perfect. I'm just gonna cut that heater line about right here, and we're going to splice right on, and that's gonna look real nice and work real good. So that'll be one less daggone thing to worry about. So let's see here. Get this out my face. All right. There's that. All right. And y'all, for the grand finale, that's what I use this right here for. Perfecto. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I cut the wrong line. Just kidding. Y'all, I'm fixing to break this JB weld off here real quick. I'm gonna show y'all where the plastic had failed on this and where I was leaking and getting air into my cooling system. Let me bust that off there real quick. Yeah, well, never mind. It's broke. All right, but this is where we're going on right here. We're going to tie right onto that. Yeah. Let's see here. Just looking. Seeing about this original factory hose clamp here. It is a radiator clamp. Let's see here, I think that's too big. Perfect. That'll work. Come on there. Come on there. All right, let's see here. Let's put this hose clamp a little further back on this hose so we can get it seated good. Looks good, looks good. Well, y'all, I got a lead a minute ago on a antique truck down the street in the woods, and a fella told me about it. He has been living here his whole entire life, and he had never seen this truck before or knew anything about it in the woods. And supposedly this is probably something like a Model T or close in age, maybe late 20s, not sure, but we are gonna go take a look at it and check it out, see what we got, because he said it's awesome. So we're gonna take his word for it. Said he's been living here all his life, he's never seen it before, didn't know it was there, so we gonna go check it out too. Awesome. Yo, I'm real happy with the way this is turning out. Oh yeah. Jury rigging with the Dirt Road King. Y'all, I've been known to always overdo stuff. I've never been accused of doing anything half-ass. I'm sorry. If I'm gonna have to do it, I like it being done right. And I think that right there is probably a lot better than the original. So there's that. We'll put it all back together and put some fluid in there. Make sure everything's bled all out. Go ahead and take off. Look at this. Look at this. Let me go ahead and get a couple of these off here. I just shorten that right there and clean that up. I like to never got that damn hose right there off. So, but y'all, that's it. That's all it takes to replace that heater hose there. That's our new one on. That little fit right there was causing a whole lot of problem. My truck had run hot for several days. It actually blew up my last radiator. The air getting in the coolant in my coolant line was causing all the hot air to break my radiator down up here, and it just caused it to get so hot, and the plastic just wore out and just pow, it blew. But yeah, we got that on. I appreciate y'all watching. We'll tear up something else later. Y'all be sure to hit the like and subscribe.